right, so went into like super fast mode, so you're not just watching me take my sweet ass time, but here I am, ultimately trying to get the wiring harness all kind of buttoned up, looking at every single connection, trying to match what connections should go out and go into like which loom. And like I said before, I was using that, I believe it's DEI Ultimate looming kit, which comes with a huge amount of loom, all different variations of sizes. And then I went with, I believe it's called Flex Tape, I believe is what it's called. Something along those lines. All right, so we're getting closer and closer. I got a lot of the stuff kind of loomed up already. Reconnected the fuel pumps, the fuel pump wire. Yeah, so we're getting there. We're almost there. Just a few other things to kind of do, and then obviously kind of taking, this is the FiTech system itself, and getting it set up to where, what we'll do, let's see if I can get this down here. Come on. What I ultimately want to do is have the FiTech system run with the C100, and then have it branch out, but have it all kind of together. So it just looks like one big harness and not two separate harnesses. Build the car, they say. Build a motor. Redo the whole thing. It'll be fun. So, as you guys all know, I have these fun transmission woes that I'm still trying to figure out. And I mean, the first thing I think the major issue might be, but I don't have 100%, was my TV cable. So I am replacing that. And in doing so, as you can see, the car's lifted up a little bit. Just so I could get under it. And, well, the wife's gotta love that I'm doing this, right? It's just nonstop bullshit. But that's the new bullshit. That's all transmission fluid. I had a friggin', let's see if I can get you down in that vantage point here. I had a bucket there, but apparently didn't really catch much. When I first took the TV cable off, it was going right in the cable, right in the bucket. So, just another fucking mess for me to clean up. I'll tell you, when I first started this, my garage floor looked nice and clean. Didn't have any stains on it. Now the thing's riddled with fucking oil stains and this stain and that stain. So ultimately, this is just going to be like a little mock-up, trying to see how everything looks, if it's going to be reaching correctly, which I honestly think it will be, but I'd rather just be safe than sorry, you know what I mean? Before putting that final loom on that main harness, where I'll be connecting both the FiTech system and the C100 harness. So figured we'd speed things up a little bit here. And just in this section, I'm just trying to figure out the best way to run these wires and have them look somewhat neat. And it's, this is probably my least favorite part of this whole thing. Working on the wires, just, it's painful. It's so painful. But what I ended up realizing is that on one of the harnesses, I had like one of the, I think it's like the blower motor, near the blower motor, one of the connections there were tied into the wrong loom. So I had to kind of disconnect it a little bit after I took this thing back out. And what I've noticed, the best way that I've been able to figure out to run these wires is there's no way around it. You kind of end up with like this massive bottleneck and just rat's nest tucked behind the distributor, which is kind of crappy. But as you can see, we're getting closer. Till next time, be safe.